In this tutorial, we will learn about the image thresholding in OpenCV. What is image thresholding? Image thresholding is basically a process of image segmentation. So we will convert our grayscale image into binary format. So there are basically a multiple methods for thresholding. First is a simple thresholding, another one is a adaptive thresholding, and third one is the thresholding. So in this tutorial, we will discuss one by one all the methods. So what is simple thresholding? In simple thresholding, basically we will convert the image in two value, one or zero means black or white. Suppose if pixel value is greater than threshold value, then we will assign the value 255. Otherwise, we will assign the value 0 means we will assign the color is a black. So basically, this image will convert into the white or black. We will pass the three parameters for that. First is a source image, another one is the threshold value, and the last one is the max value. And also one more parameter is the thresholding technique. So we will use the various type of thresholding techniques, like thresh binary inverted, thresh trunk, thresh to zero, INV. These all the techniques depends on the what is your requirement. So we will use the technique according to our requirements. Another one is the adaptive thresholding. So basically, in the real world, we cannot change your image into just black or white with the one threshold value. We need multiple thresholds according to the image's pixel. So we are using for that adaptive threshold. Adaptive threshold is actually more better than the simple thresholding. So what type of parameters we will pass in that? First is the source image. It's a our input image. Another parameter we can pass, it's a destination image, it's a optional parameter. Next one is the max value, what the max value that we can assign to that pixel. We can also use a multiple type of adaptive method. There are two type of adaptive method. One is the mean, and another one is a Gaussian. So we can use any one of the method, but most of the results better comes in the Gaussian method. Next parameter we will use, it's a threshold type. So basically we can use any of the threshold type like thresh binary inverted, whatever we need to use. Can also need to define a block size. Last parameter is a constant. We can also define a constant value. A constant value is a subtracted from the mean or weighted sum of the neighborhood pixel. So here I have explained one example. There I have used also threshold, simple thresholding, and also use a adaptive thresholding, and I have also defined a different type of techniques of the adaptive thresholding. So here is the result. So basically the good result is common adaptive Gaussian thresholding. Last one, it's is the Otsu thresholding. What is Otsu thresholding? Actually, Otsu thresholding is basically depends on the histogram. So for what we do, just process an image into a grayscale image, then obtain a histogram image, and then calculate the threshold value, and then replace the image pixels into the white where saturation is greater than the threshold, and replace the black for the opposite cases. So I hope you like my video or understand about the thresholding, what is thresholding, and what is a simple thresholding. If you have any queries or any doubt, just comment on the below sections.